Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm making my DIY Valentines for my friends this year, and yeah, let's jump right into it. So I found most of my supplies at Hobby Lobby except for these cards I got at Target in the dollar section. It was actually a great steal, although I do think I got them around the holiday season. And if you are subscribed to me and you follow my channel, you'll know that I posted on my community tab of the great Hobby Lobby 50% off holiday like Valentine's Day stuff sale. So when that happened, of course, I got a bunch of fun Valentine's Day stationery to make some cute Valentines. So I'll be using all that along with this double-sided tape. And I also want to show you a little option because you can definitely make your own cards, envelopes, anything you would like, and you don't have to do small ones if you don't like to. So grabbing my scissors, and then we're going to start with a blank card. I'm just going to tear some paper, add some double-sided tape, and just like that, you have some adorable cards. Now you can mix match and do so many different things. You could even watercolor paper to tear and use a scrapbook paper. You could use book pages, doilies, newspaper, pink paper. You could just color with markers. You could make your own scrapbook paper. The options really are endless, and just really get creative with it. I also use some washi tape, and then to spice it up, I cut it in little V's to make it look like a little ribbon. You can add stickers like I did here. I used some cute heart ones and bedazzled ones and some sparkles, which added some fun texture to it. And there it is. There is my first card. I think it turned out so cute, and I'm going to continue with the rest of them. I also have a little question for you guys, because I know I didn't post my February plan with me in my bullet journal. I filmed it and I edited like half of it, but I knew I was gonna have to post it late because of my schedule and everything, and it was already late. Do you guys want it even if it's really late? Do you just want to see what my setup is, or would you rather me post some other videos? Let me know in the comments down below, please. That would help me out so much. And if you want it, I'll go ahead and post it. If not, I'll carry on with some other videos I have planned. So let me know in the comments down below, and enjoy the rest of this video and ASMR. And those are my DIY Valentines this year. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts on this video, and if I should post my February plan with me, even though it's late. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later.